It is about the same setup as previously, but it's just the appearance. Now we still have on the left the original JBC station, and the power is still measured to be 120 watts. But on the right, the small station is having a much more powerful source. So under these circumstances, it will deliver 140 watts to the load. We shall start the test right now. So what times we have? It's 3.5 seconds for the 140 watts station on the right, and 8.5. It looks like my measurements are coming quite nicely at 8.5 for the original JBC station. Again, the station on the right is much faster in this test because it has virtually zero booting time, and this coupled with a superior power 140 watt, it ended up with this 3.5 seconds, which is well, actually, you really don't need that fast station, but it's nice to be there, you know.